Sanibonani and welcome to Wisdom X Magaziwe. Imina ke ingane yamakhehla amadala, amakhehla amakhulu, amakhehla amahle. If you're watching for the first time, siyakwamukela. We are all about sharing wisdom, healing, and sharing light for the world to become better. Namuhla, I want to talk about prayer as a weapon to fight isitha, sasekhaya. And why am I talking about this today is that the group of clients that I've been consulting with these past days, it's people who are having this challenge at their homes. Emakhaya bavela kuwona. They find themselves fighting their blood, siblings, okanye cousins, and yeah, so on and so forth. And umuntu meke kujikjela ngemithi, you don't have to ukuthi bajikjela back ngemithi. You'll have to use prayer. But what people do not understand is that when you use prayer, you are exercising the power that is within you. You need to believe, you need to have faith, and you need to have confidence and have the right attitude. So when you ask God to protect you, when you ask God ukuthi akuvikele, you say those words with meaning because of trust you me. Laba abagadlayo, meaning the ones that are attacking you using witchcraft, bona baphethe imithi bayakuphephetha. Bona baphethe something, they're saying everything and they are meaning it. So now when you fight back, you need to fight with confidence. You need to say it with your chest, to say, God, protect me, protect me, protect me, protect me, always, always, always protect me. Just ask for protection and that akulwelo kuko konke. You're not going to kneel down and say, Agube back to the sender. Because of, I'm discouraging these things about back to the sender because of asifane siyingane zesithunywa. Mina ngumagaziwe, I can't be doing about back to the sender because of if I do it, I will literally kill that person. Or if I were to use specific candles, I would literally kill that person because of I have anger and I'm dangerous when I'm angry, So I wouldn't. So there are certain people that I normally advise to say, don't even use a red candle because of you literally kill. And what was God's purpose for your life? What did God send you to do in your family? He didn't send you to kill people, but he sent you to protect, to guide people. So wena ngane yesithunywa obona konke olusana nesitha segazi, khuleka ungayeki. And I know sometimes prayer feels like it's not working. You pray, but you still experience delays. You pray, whatever God has put you in, whatever situation that God has put you in, he is testing your faith. He is trying to prove to the enemy, ukuthi whatever that he has stored within you is very, very much powerful. So you need to believe that konke okungaphakathi kwena enough. And it's so powerful in a way that whatever that you say, and let me tell you something, we pray and we wait. Siyakhuleka, siyalinda. Into nento inesikhathi sayo. When you continue to pray, you focus on the positive. You focus on the lights. Because can I tell you something? They can tell you that sasekhaya lo muntu lo uyancindezela wenza konke lokho. But if you focus on God, you pray, you stay positive, you focus on all the positive and all the goodness that is within your life. And another thing, you fight with peace because of God gives you peace as much as you pray, he continues to give you peace. Because of if you were someone who wasn't praying, you'd forever be worried, overthinking things, and always having excuses and blaming everything that is happening wrong. But when you stay prayerful, you stay in a light mind, you stay with a peaceful heart, the problems, the challenges you have, you don't normally see them as challenges. You see them as opportunities that you literally go through them, and you see as things that you could literally overcome. But you'll feel like you are stuck, you are stagnant, because of every time we pray, God renews our mind, our hearts, our souls. Every morning you wake up, you just ask God to get inside your heart, renew your mind, refresh your mind, and akukhanyisele kuko konke obhekene nakho. Trust you, me. Isitha sizomangala ukuthi, why are you flourishing? Why are you looking this good? What's happening in your life? Usebenzisani? Because of asekuboni uwa, asekuboni ukhala, but instead siyamangala ukuthi you are just enjoying life. Kanjani? That kills isitha sasekhaya, because of they realize ukuthi man, ngiyamphephetha, ngiyamphehla, ngimenza zonke lezi zinto, kodwa akusebenzi. Buza thina-ke esilwa nazo izitha zasekhaya, meyihlangana nathi siyakhazimula, sibahle, we are so beautiful, life is just moving, it's not moving as fast as we want, but we are moving with God, with God's pace. We are moving. So imagine ke isitha sasekhaya mase singibheka, siyanxapha, siyacasuka, siyakwata ukuthi hayibo wamuhle kangaka, waflourisha kangaka. It is because of we pray, and we understand that in prayer you wait for the Lord, because of He will renew your strength. Wait, I say. But njengoba lukhuleka, funa impilo enhle for wena, funa impilo positive. Even though you've heard all these drama about your family, even though you have seen these things and you have traumas, this person ulokolo busy, uyanicindezela. Focus on the good, because if you wake up and God gives you opportunities, you are still able to go to work, you are still having shelter, you're still having food on the table, you still have clothes. Some of you can still take yourself out, you can still do other things. Focus on that, dwell on the positive, to say kuzo zonke ivunguvungu eyivunguzayo, kodwa yena umile ungunaphakade, ngoba kuyavunguza la ngaphandle, kuyavunguza, imoya iyavunguza, kodwa sibambelele kuyena. And njengoba sibambelele kuyena, you wouldn't even see that we are actually going through the worst, because of ayibo inkosi iyasifihla nje. Sithi masingene ey'ndaweni abantu babebasho ukuthi hayibo wazi wamuhle, wazi wabonakala ngathi unakho konke, kanti cha bo, anginakho konke. She said, I've made peace with my situation and I've accepted ukuthi nasi ayisitha sami, but angeke ngisinike lento esiyifunayo, because sometimes isitha wants to unleash the negative, the monster, the animal in you, ngoba yena uyajikijela. Now uyogcina uthakatha, ujikijele nawe uthi back to the sender, usalumubi-ke ngoba wena ukhanyisa amakhandlela abovu amnyama, ulubhizi ongijikijelayo naye already ingilosi yakho uyayimosha, uzibona sowunesidini ebantwini, uzibona so attackwa easily, because of now you've tapped into the space sokuthi nawe ushama back to the sender, nawe ungenile kule nto zokugadla abantu spiritual. Kanti if you just stay and pray with your white candles, because of with the white candles God just gives you light, and God cleanses you all the time, because iy'bani zakho zimhlophe nje, ucela ukukhanya, ucela ukuboniswa indlela. Because of with me, I know ukuthi nginezitha zasekhaya, but I don't give them attention, but instead I focus on me, I focus on getting better, and I appreciate all the opportunities that I'm given, and I focus on them and I make use of them. So but ngibacabanga ukuthi they will break my soul, ayibo bayadlala, bayaganga, and bayayimangalela nabo ukuthi hayibo bese mjikijela lo wayengaqhuki, why inhloko ingekho buhlungu. It's because of I pray. So ogadla mina, they are literally wasting their time. So ukukhuleka abantu keeps you at peace, and you understand with God ukuthi uma ukhuleka uyalinda. And in the process of praying, he reveals a lot of things. Uzwa kubonisa ukuthi isitha siyophele laphi, siyofaka njani, ngesikhathi seso kuzoba so, ngesikhathi seso kuzoba so. That is perfect peace because of the information that he has given you. It keeps you alive. It keeps you smiling. It keeps you positive to say, noma ungangigadla manje, kodwa ukugcineni kuyogcina mina, wena uyosuswa nje emehlweni wethu. Ngiyanithanda bakwethu, akube ubumbano, akube uzwano, nothando ngaphakathi kwamakhaya wenu. Singamakhehla madala, amakhehla amakhulu, amakhehla amahle. Have a successful week. And because of Easter is just around the corner, I guess khulekeni, I guess qineni emkhulekweni, kuningi okwenzakalayo during the season, but I guess khulekeni, siceleni inkosi ukuthi isikhanyisele, isihlenge, isibonise indlela ekuyona ekumele siphile.